Kublai pi baro shkatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah kesnigil. Li Menteri Rangba ya ke Apollo Trinity Medical Center halan ukra. Arken hon ya kini kaurashan hasnong korai bari ranikor. Ban Yamir jengmut di BSF ban BGB haktem Jaudanga Bangladesh. Bat mentah ini apa sih Khubor kiba kambanya. Menteri Rangba konrat ke sangma ulapli padba ya ka Apollo Trinity Medical Care hadong nong remba laj umkra Shillong haka khat khandai terik RYMPHANG haka jingan dan lang ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo menteri ka kwat kya bat kiken ram kilendan ki bakentup ya uba DP Walang Chief Secretary Rana Das Gupta Regional CEO East Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited. Haka jingkran play Menteri Rangba ulapan pau ke jingkemen ke bakrau. Namar ki padba ke Jylla ki donkam ya ki jaka sumar nong pang ki babiang bat ki bedor. Ulaong baru asyikata ki nong pang na ke Jylla ki donkam ki jing sumar babha ki hab banit sumar syaki wei pat ki sorba jongkari India. Ki hab ruban sew hakador kabarem. Kajing mi perthai ke ni ke jaka sumar nong pang batmai kan penduna ya ki jinglut jing sep jongki. Ulaong ru ke sorkar ke penlut hadu khandai persen kamang pisa naga benta ka kwat ke khia bat kadang don kam sekumbasan spangut ki doktor ban syakri ha kane ke Jylla. Ulaong ru nadu basdang uladon ketilang ban penslur bat kentu ban pendap klo ya kane ke jaka sumar ban ai ki jing sumar bapaka ya ki nongpang ke Jylla. Kakong Amprin ru ke lapan pau ya ke jing kemen ke bakrau bakane ke Apollo Medical Center ke lapan pernai crack ya ke laj umkra batkan ai ru ki jing sumar sukher ki babiang ya ki nongpang ki bawansha sumar hangne. Kala benyaru de ke baong. Kador kamur ban sumar nongpang kala kiu hadu kata-kata kabalak takjur ya ki long ying long sem baduk bakerdu. Kani ke medical center kan ai ki jing sumar ki bapaka kelapan pau ialah kijeng angnut. Chief Secretary ba DP Walang ulaong kajing wan jong kani ke jaka sumar nongpang bathamai ka penpai den traya ka nam ka kerteng jo ka Shillong hakathan lamingi kum kasnong ka badon ki hospital ki bakensai ban sumar bat penkot bon jat kijing pang jing chia. Rana Das Gupta, Regional CEO East Apollo Hospital Enterprise Limited, ula kular ban ai kijing sumar sukher ki bakensai bat bajanai kum kanam ka kerteng jong ka Apollo Hospital. Bun ki kor ki bor la penbiang hakani ka Medical Center bat ya ki badang duna en sa penbiang shen kat bala ulaong. Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo balasan ran lang do Vicar General Reverend Pada Richard Majau ula kerku ya kani ke jaka sumar nongpang hau no pra arhajar arpusau.
I also request Shri Rana Das Gupta, the Regional CEO of Hospital. I also request Shri Manoj Roy, CEO of Apollo Hospitals, Guwahati. Shri Thamunglung, CEO of Apollo XLK. And Shri Debapriya Dev to kindly grace us the occasion with the lighting of lamp.
Where was that?
All the machines.
MRI has it?
No, MRI to second phase. CT and MRI is coming in the second phase.
Look, big machine. Almost like 70.
Yeah, 10 crores.
But that'll be there. That'll be up.
Amit and his team is actually into it.
6 months will be there?
Yeah. So this is the team. Then eco here. Master checkup, everything is there. Everything is
Yeah, we
there.
have to give some concession to pensioners.
Okay.
Senior
Right.
citizens.
Senior citizens.
As I get to work out something. As I
Right.
enter that phase, I have to take care of.
This is the eco, sir. Eco. So in this flow, sir, entire diagnostic flow is there. New machine, all are GE machines. GE. All are EV machines, sir. Then, sir, we have this. I can show you this one small thing. We have this vital condition.
Yeah. We are making sure that only. Yeah. Blood test. That's, yeah, taking.
The health sector has been of great importance to us as a government, and you'll be happy to know that in terms of the percentage expenditure of GDP, Meghalaya spends more than 8%, almost 9% of our expenditure of our overall budget, our budget is on healthcare. And that makes us the number one in the country to spend the maximum amount percentage of the budget on healthcare. So this is reflective of the commitment that we have towards health and improvement of the health sector. Please remember, these are not easy things to do. There's a lot of challenges, and we have started at a very kind of a base line was very low for us. And therefore for us to come up from that baseline to where we are moving forward today, it's not about the challenge alone, it's about creating that inertia, creating that momentum, creating that motivation in the team. And that takes a lot of time. And that is something that has happened throughout the structure of governance. It's not just health, but health has seen that move much further. And I'm sure our officials who are present out here will tell you how the health sector is reforming and how the involvement of the officials, involvement of the doctors has been at a different level, which has allowed us to really improve things and see where we are today. And of course, there's a lot more to be done. It's not that we are saying that we have resolved every issue. There's a lot of issue to be resolved, but clearly from where we were and where we are and where we are moving forward to, I can clearly see the direction and seeing that vision that our Chief Secretary had mentioned, that slowly and steadily Meghalaya, especially Shillong of course, will gain that reputation of being able to provide good medical and healthcare services in the days to come. And that's really kind of a goal and a target for us, which drives us. Again, a very big target, but we feel that it can be achieved if we continue this momentum that we're doing.
I believe that this center is such a center of hope. I urge upon both the darbars of Hill and the darbar of Nauramba to work together on this project, to be on the same page, to not tussle as to who belongs and whose it is. We both need to figure out what do we do with this horrible drain which needs to be covered. And we both have to rally together. As a local representative, sir, I place before your knowledge that if this drain does not get covered, sir, it will unnecessarily cause exposure to all kinds of infections, to all those that will be traveling this road. We must do it, sir. There is no agency in this world that will throw development away on a flimsy notion that this is a water body. So it is the dirtiest of all drains. And it is the only drain left in my constituency that remains uncovered. We have dealt with this matter, sir, before. We have dealt with it in several other locations, where there are a handful of people who, for some odd reason, do not want to move along with the community and go ahead and see things happening and see how a facility like this can be a blessing to so many families.
Just you don't have to do anything much. Everything is computerized. So therefore, I urge all of you to please go and disseminate this very important information that it is a very good facility that we saw being inaugurated, and it could be free if we are registered under MHIS, because we take care of OPD and diagnostics also, which is what this center is all about. Therefore, with that information that I wanted to share with all of you, I come back again and congratulate all the promoters, Apollo, for the partnership that you have executed for this project, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in making Shillong.
Dala kajong kakman, Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ulalap, haba ulalit jengo ya kathain ranikor, bat poi hakasnong korai bari. Bakidon ar kunhun kinong song snong. Kawe kakenhun kayo kau rason, bat ya kawe pat kakenhun, la penduk kau rason da utrai dukan di kau rason, ubah kerteng uwel wering ar marang. Kakenhun kepala syak penduk kau rason kala ud su Konrad, ya kajing kentaj uwel wering, bansau kam PDS kat kum ki kendon kaan, National Food Security Act, NAFS, kiba lamang ban ai kau rason syakilong yeng long sem, kiba haginong kendong bat kiba duna kajing yo jingkon. Kajing kini kau rason kalong kadau ba bakani kasnong kalapat arliang. Kaliang kabak kemen bat kersa ne kajing le Shillong kmat jong wel wering ar marak bat kaliang kaba ya persya ya u. Ya kilong yeng kiba persya ula penduk thiau ban ai kau rason. Menteri Rangba ula hukum ya ka Director Food and Civil Supplies Kong Anita Khubor ban betha ya UDC Southwest Khasi Hills ban penlong kajing tokit halor kani kajing ut jong kanhun kabam yo kau rason bat ya kajing le don bor jong wel wering ar marak hakani kasnong. Haka khatnyo tarik RYMPHANG la penlong ya kajing tokit babenia ya kijing le jing kam jong uni utrai dukan kau rason da kibriu ka Food and Civil Supplies na mau kerwat hasnong korai bari. Da shisha la shem uni utrai dukan rason ula penduk kau rason shibun kilong ying long sem la shisnem tam bat don ru ki baladuk kau palat arsnem. Mardor ki bor sensyar distrik na Southwest Khasi Hills kila slot ya ka license de kau rason jong wel wering ar marak. La hukum yu ban pen pilot ikikot kisla CDC office mau kerwan. UDC Southwest Khasi Hills ula hukum yaki pulit ban ujor ejahar persya yu wel wering ar marak. La kemi lenti nang ni syakmat kilong yeng ki baladu kau rason hasnong korai bari kin yo bam jakadang nang ni syakmat. Kino yalam Rangba Kaperton Border Security Force BSF bat Border Guard Bangladesh BGB kila penlong kajing yalang yamir jingmut halor ki kam ki bayadei bat kajing pet ngor bat jing yada kaput hala kajong kaliang kenang ba kanomi kanu kajing ya kenat ni jing yes ngotho bakala para maki. Ya kani kajing yalang la penlong haktem Border Guard Bangladesh Border Outpost kabadon hakasnong Jau Danga Bangladesh. Nakaliang ki BSF lalam khmat da ulalit Mohan Sharma DIG Sector Headquarter Tura bat naki Border Guard Bangladesh lalam khmat do Colonel Sarkar Mohammed Mostafizur Rahman Sector Commander Memian Singh. Ki jingamir jingmut kilalong ki bayad renti da ka jing sngo tho jingmut baro arliang. Ki Commander BSF bat BGB kila menjur banya trailang bat ban penlong ya ki kaput ki jaka ki ba syong suk syong san bat ban ya pasat jing ya tip markeliang ya kanu ke jingjia ka ba penwit hapadeng ka India bat ki tu ki Khubor ngla poi syaka bakun tar hadu banginda ya syambiang khublei shibun.